Most chicken keepers spend hundreds of dollars on feed, housing, and equipment. But many forget about one thing that can save their flock when health issues appear. Today, I'll show you the 5 products I believe every chicken owner should keep ready before problems start. One thing every chicken keeper learns sooner or later is that chickens can occasionally face health challenges. Whether you are raising a small backyard flock or managing a larger flock of hundreds of chickens, having these basic health products available can help you respond quickly when problems arise. So, let's get started. The first item many poultry keepers keep available is an antibiotic that is recommended for poultry use. Respiratory issues, bacterial infections, and other health problems can sometimes affect chickens, especially during periods of stress or changing weather conditions. Products such as oxytetracycline-based medications are commonly used in poultry under proper guidance. These medications may help in certain bacterial infections when used correctly. However, it's important to remember that antibiotics should never be used unnecessarily. Always follow label directions and, whenever possible, consult a veterinarian before treatment. Having an appropriate poultry antibiotic available can be helpful when viral or bacterial infection is identified and prompt treatment is needed. The second essential product is a medication or supplement designed to support chickens experiencing diarrhea or digestive upset. Loose droppings and digestive problems are fairly common in chickens and can occur due to stress, feed changes, contaminated water, parasites, or illness. If digestive issues are addressed early, chickens often recover much more quickly. But if ignored, prolonged diarrhea can lead to dehydration, weight loss, reduced egg production, and weakened immunity. There are several poultry products available that help support digestive health and control diarrhea. Keeping one of these products in your poultry first aid kit can be very useful when digestive problems appear in your flock. The third important category is growth and performance supplements. If you're raising meat birds, healthy growth is naturally one of your main goals. Even for backyard flocks, proper nutrition plays a major role in overall health and productivity. Many poultry keepers use growth support supplements that contain vitamins, amino acids, minerals, and other nutrients that help birds develop properly. When combined with high-quality feed, clean water, and good management practices, these supplements can help support healthy weight gain and overall flock performance. In addition to growth supplements, it's also a good idea to keep calcium and multivitamin supplements available. For laying hens, calcium is especially important because it supports strong eggshell formation. Multivitamins can help birds recover from stress, heat, transportation, molting, or illness. A good calcium supplement and a quality poultry multivitamin are valuable additions to any poultry health program. The fourth product every poultry keeper should consider keeping on hand is a liver support supplement, often called a liver tonic. The liver plays a critical role in digestion, metabolism, nutrient utilization, and overall health. When the liver functions efficiently, chickens are generally able to utilize feed more effectively and maintain better productivity. Many poultry farmers use liver support products during stressful periods, after medication treatments, or whenever birds appear to be underperforming. A quality liver tonic may help support feed efficiency, maintain good health, and contribute to consistent egg production in laying hens. There are many poultry liver supplements available on the market, so choose one that is specifically formulated for poultry and follow the manufacturer's recommendations. The fifth and final essential product is a dewormer. Internal parasites are one of the most common challenges faced by chicken keepers. Worm infestations can reduce growth rates, decrease egg production, cause weight loss, and weaken the immune system. For that reason, many poultry keepers follow a regular deworming schedule based on their management system and local parasite risks. Products containing ingredients such as albendazole are commonly used for deworming poultry in many regions. As always, follow product instructions carefully and observe any withdrawal periods for eggs or meat if required. Regular parasite control can help keep your flock healthier and more productive throughout the year. So those are 5 essential poultry health products that every chicken keeper should know about. First is antibiotics, second is digestive and diarrhea support products, third is growth supplements, calcium, and multivitamins. Fourth is liver tonics, and the last one is dewormers. These are basic health products that many poultry keepers keep available as part of their flock management routine. As you gain more experience, you'll learn about additional products used for specific diseases and health conditions. But if you're just getting started with chickens, these 5 categories are a great foundation for your poultry health kit. If you'd like detailed videos explaining how to use each of these products safely and effectively, comment us below. Before you go, if you want to keep your chickens healthy, make sure you watch the next video that's showing on your screen right now. In that video, I'll share 5 powerful superfoods that help chickens stay healthy, active, and productive throughout year. I'll see you there.